Welcome my friend, my name is Yuri, and this lesson about how to start properly in crypto trading, step by step. This lesson, it is introduction to our trading course that we record for you, that you will watch and will help you understand it dramatically better if you would do it on other resources. Why it's important to watch this course till the end? Because, my friend, my name is Yuri, and in trading I really big period of time, a lot of people follow me. Here's my TradingView page with 55,000 followers. And my friends, I spoke with thousands of traders during last few years, and most of them fail. Biggest problem that first, they don't study. Even if they start some education, they don't have a foundation. They don't know how to set stop losses. What's the difference between short sell, long buy? What's the difference between trading and investing? It is completely fundamental questions. It is not even a trading strategy. That's why we create this course that I call zero level. It's a foundation. Imagine that at this moment, during this course, we use concrete to build your foundation. And after that, we will build a beautiful home. That's why I think you understand that it is essential for you to finish it, to do all your homework. And best that you can do is to share it with your friends traders, as it would be the best thank you for our job, because a lot of people edit this video, a lot of people made this presentation, translate it, check did we wrote it correctly. That's why, friends, I would be thankful if you would share it with others. About our program, it would be what is a blockchain, what of cryptocurrencies, risk management, how to create account on top exchanges, why it's so important to use proper exchanges or fixed brokers, because many of you, I think, can trade different markets or 2-3 markets at the same time. How to analyze market, difference between fundamental and technical analysis, trading on exchange, practice, and all of that. As you can see here, it is all list of the topics that I would risk reward, statistic, risk calculator, closing open transactions, type of orders. As you can see, it is whole topics that I will share with you in this course, and you will be able to watch it and understand much better. That's why, my friend, thank you for your time, take care, and let's go.